Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's videos, I'm going to show you guys how to do this hairstyle. First, I'm going to start off with day 3 hair. Lord knows, this needs it. This is a before and after look, okay? So let's see if I could get this done. Oh wait, I got a flashback here. Okay, here we go. First, I'm going to part my hair in the middle. Okay, there we go. And now I'm going to take the 2 front pieces. Here's one. Wait, this is how we do it. Okay, now I'm going to part my hair in the middle. Okay, I'm going to take my 2 front hairs. You see, one, a little less here. Here we go. And then I'm going to take the other one, just a little bit, okay? And then I'm going to push this here up, see? Then I'm going to do the next one. And you see, maybe that little one that's bothering me, I could probably pull it out. Wow! And then put the other one up. You know, something really quick and simple. I'm going to bring it up as high as it could go. This is how Chelly does it. And now we're going to do the twisting. I'm going to take my hair tie and we're going to do 1 and 2. I had to adjust my camera a little so you can see my bun. And there we go. How do you like it, guys? I hope you like it. Please let me know. If you like my hair tutorial, let me get it. Wow! Make sure you like, comment, square. Leave me any video recommendations below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Yeah!